Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us import the Excel sheet data into a database table. So I have an Excel sheet here which got few columns A to N and where it got 103 rows including the column headers. So I want to load this data into IBT database where I haven't created a table before. So there are two ways. We can create a table based on our Excel sheet metadata, or you can use the import wizard to create a table for us. So I'm going to use the import wizard. Right click on the database, click task, click import data. So here my source is an Excel sheet and my destination is a database table. So I'm selecting source as my Microsoft Excel, selecting the Excel sheet, click next, and my destination is server, OLEDB server. Click properties. I just want to mention my server name and database to which it needs to be loaded. I'm authenticating the server with my Windows authentication. Select the server name, click OK. Click next. Next. Yes, I want to load this data and I want to name it to as website survey in this table. If I click edit mappings, you can see here, this radio button is being auto selected, right? Create destination table. So I want to create a table. If you want to edit this query, you can click on this button and edit the query. Any data type change or length change or column name change, you can do all that. If not, you can even change the size and all here. I know the Excel sheet size is only 25. This auto generation is giving us 255. So I'm just updating it to 25 size, 25 length. And one more thing, my SIN ID, my age, everything is an integer. So I want to update into int. I can do it here or I can update even in the query. So age is int, score is float, time invested is also int. So I am updating as I have seen the Excel sheet data based on that understanding their metadata. I'm updating my SQL query or I'm updating the type and size everything in the screen. Click OK. I can preview my data. Yes. Click next. Okay, see next. Next. Yes. Finish. Close. So let me refresh to see the new table created by the wizard, import wizard. Yeah, see, website survey is being created. Select top 1000 rows. See, there are, I'm selecting, but anyway, we know that there are only 1002 rows, right? Updating to top 1000. See, 100,000, 1002 rows has been inserted. Hope this is useful. Thank you.